You ever get your paycheck and think, who is Fika and why he keep taking my money? Yeah, welcome to income tax, baby. That's Uncle Sam's rent for letting you live in America. Now here's the game. You don't just pay one tax. Nah, you got federal tax, sometimes state, and even city tax depending on where you live. They all dip in that check before you even see it, like a plate at a family reunion. The percentage you pay, that's based on your tax bracket. The more you make, the bigger the slice they take. But here's what they don't tell you. Rich folks don't cry about taxes because they understand deductions. They write off everything. That home office, that business dinner, that networking trip to Miami. Meanwhile, regular folks just hit submit on TurboTax and hope for a refund. So rule number 1, don't just make money. Learn how to keep money legally, because the IRS ain't the enemy. Ignorance is. Now let's talk about sales tax, the silent snatcher. You pay it every single day and don't even think about it. Every time you buy gas, a pair of shoes, a burger combo, boom, there go a little tax. They don't even hide it. It's right there on your receipt, mocking you like, yeah, we got you again. And it gets wild. The rate changes depending on where you are. You could buy the same hoodie in one city for $50 and another for $54 just because of tax. But here's the trick. Even sales tax can be a business write-off if you play your cards right. If you're buying stuff for your business, you can often get that money back come tax time. See, the game ain't rigged. It's just written in a language most people never learn to read. So next time you shop, don't just swipe. Think. Ask yourself, is this expense feeding me or my tax bill? Now let's get to the fancy one. Capital gains tax. That's when you make money off money. And the government still wants a piece. You buy a stock for $100, sell it for $200. That extra 100? Yeah, that's taxable. You flip a house, sell crypto, make profit off a business sale? That's all capital gains. But here's what separates the broke from the ballers. The rich plan their taxes. They don't wait until April to figure it out. They move money into investments that get lower tax rates or even tax-free growth, like 401ks, Roth ERAs, or real estate that's reinvested through a 1031 exchange. You might not be there yet, but you can start by just tracking your spending, knowing what counts, and stop treating tax season like a surprise party. Because once you learn how taxes work, you stop fearing them. You start using them. And I'm not Ted, but thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is.